In this video, we are going to discuss about NoSQL injection. It's a security vulnerability in web application that use NoSQL databases. It's similar to SQL injection but targets NoSQL databases like MongoDB, CouchDB, and so on. So the attackers exploit the weakness in the input validation to inject the malicious code, to inject the manipulated queries, or to gain unauthorized access to data. This can lead to data theft, data loss, or even server compromise. It's crucial for developers to sanitize the user input and use parameterized queries to prevent such attacks. Okay, so I'll do one thing. Let me start our lab. Okay, access the lab. Here, let me start the burp also. Okay, fine. Burp and the scrub. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay, let me copy the link. Okay, just wait till the burp gets loaded. It's similar to SQL injection, but in SQL injection we are using MySQL database, but here we are using other databases such as MongoDB. Okay, so let me check the question first. Detecting NoSQL injection. The product category filter for this lab is powered by a MongoDB NoSQL database. So it is vulnerable to NoSQL injection, and to solve the lab, we have to perform NoSQL injection attack that causes the application to display unreleased product. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. Let me open the browser also. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, yeah. Let me paste the lab here. So the vulnerability is in the product category filter. So let me go to any category, choose any category. Yeah, here we can see the category parameter passing. So I'll do one thing. Right click this, send to repeater. Okay. When I'm sending this, it will display the product which is under the category gift, right? So let me change the payload. Let me add just as code here. Okay. And let me send the request. Internal server error. Fine, no issues. Mm, okay, let me submit a boolean condition that always evaluate to true in this category parameter. Okay, so for that, let me add a pipe symbol, then boolean number one, that is true. Again, add a pipe symbol, then code. Okay, send 200. Okay, let me check the lab got solved. That means when we using this payload, one second, it displays all the product. Okay, when I'm clicking the parameter gift, it will display only the product which is under the gift category. But when we are injecting this payload, it will display all the unreleased product also. So right click on this request response in browser, in current browser session. Let me copy this and paste it here. Yeah, so it display all the product, right? So this is the parameter, sorry, this is the payload that we are using in this. Okay, it's similar to SQL injection, but the only difference is the database is not SQL. Okay, here the database is MongoDB. I hope you understood the concept. Okay, so that's all for this video. And you have to do one thing, you have to complete balance lab under NoSQL injection category. Okay, so go to all contents and click all labs. Search for NoSQL injection and you will get some labs. Yeah, NoSQL injection here. Yeah, only 4 lab. We have already solved 1 lab. So you have to complete balance 3 lab. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept of SQL injection. Similarly, you can try to bypass the authentication or extract the data or extract the database. Okay, you can practice the same thing in your target also. So, thank you.